If you want to make text italic in Photopea, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you the easiest way to italicize text, even if your font does not have a built-in italic style. This is especially useful when you want to style titles, captions, or design elements and keep everything looking clean and professional. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Photopea tutorials. Let's jump in. First, open your project in Photopea and make sure your text layer is already created. You can use the Type tool by pressing T on your keyboard, or you can simply click the text layer in the Layers panel if the text is already there. The important thing is that the text layer needs to be selected before you can change its style. Now, look over to the right side of the screen and find the Character panel. It usually has an icon that looks like a capital A. If you do not see it, do not worry, just go up to the top menu, click Window, and then choose Character. That will bring the panel back so you can adjust your text settings. Once the Character panel is open, look toward the bottom of the panel. You should see a slanted T icon. This is the Faux Italic option. Click that icon and your text will instantly become italicized. This works great because it forces an italic look even if the font itself does not include a true italic version. If you want to turn the italic effect off later, just click the same slanted T icon again and the text will go back to normal. This makes it very easy to switch styles while editing your design. A quick tip here. Faux Italic is different from a real italic font style. In some cases, if your font already has an italic version, you may want to use that instead for the most natural look. But if your font does not support italic, Faux Italic is a perfect workaround inside Photopea. So to recap, select your text layer, open the Character panel, and click the slanted T icon for Faux Italic. That is all you need to do to italicize text in Photopea in just a few seconds. If this tutorial helped you out, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you do not miss the next Photopea guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.